Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Salesforce developer account. Now first of all go to this web page, or you can say the URL developer.salesforce.com. Once you're at the home page, you will see all these options. So from here just click on browse trials, and once you click on browse trials you will see a get environment friend development environment for free. So you can either click on browse all trials, or you can just scroll down and you will basically see this one, developer edition featured trial, which is basically you can say their featured option to try. Otherwise scroll down and you will see these options like a developer edition legacy, get started with Salesforce development and test new developer features. And this is basically the 30-day CRM analytics free trial. That is your choice, and there are many other options that you want to try. You can do it. Let's say I want to go with the developer edition. Just click on get a developer edition, and after that they will ask you to enter your name, job title, work email, company Pakistan, and company and country. And let me just enter my details for now. So once you enter all your information, just click on I'm not a robot and click on sign me up. So let it out, hold tight, wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, almost there. Check your email, you'll receive a confirmation email soon. If you don't see it, just go to, let me just go to my email address. And once you're at the email, as you can see, I've received this email. This is basically, you can say, a login link to easily login. Save this URL, or you can just click on reset password, which will basically create your password. Just click on reset password, click on reset, and also click here. Let it just load. Change your password. Now basically this, make sure to enter your password. So let me just select a password for myself. Enter your password, select security question, in which city you were born, or what's your pet name. Let's say I want to select this one, and let's select this city, or let me just enter this one and click on change password. Once you click on change password, so your password will be changed, or you can say your password will be created. So let it just load. Once the password is changed, you can just directly go to this home phase, or you can say the interface as well. As you can see, I'm directly logged in. Otherwise, you can just enter your username inside this section, your password. Remember me, click on login. And that is just a simple and easy process of how you can create your account inside the Salesforce Development Edition. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.